You can say that, I think. I like her songs. Let's eat dinner. Ah. Ah. Guys, it's actually so hard to pick a bias from Blackpink. Every comeback like iba. Hi, Iroha fan. I love Mamamoo. Naked fashion. Fashion. And then hip ya, down like a line. Hip. Moonbyos na ako, guys. Oh, so dry. Yes, I like BTS. Hindi ko pa napapakinggan yung strategy ng Twice. Thank you, Senju Sama, for the gift. On time ang dinner today. Proud of you. This is my lunch. This is my second meal of the day. Ang hirap nang walang meal plan, nakatamad kumain. Kasi I have to pick pa from Grab, or I have to choose what to cook. I don't eat early kasi. I eat after I work out. I work out with an empty stomach, so like I burn more fat, and nag-lobat notif ako. I'm Filipino. I am a Filipino. yung interview ni Cameron Diaz ba yan? Some people don't actually know that I'm fully Filipino. Do you know the reference? It's funny because like some people don't actually know that I'm like fully Filipino. Oh my god. Hindi nyo mag-gets yung humor ko, sorry. La la la. La la la. Bugs. Oh, thank you Moonlight for the gifts. Japanese ka nga ulit. I don't speak Japanese though. I don't know how to speak Japanese. Nihongo. Are you half Filipino? No, I'm full Filipino. I eat balut. Is there supposed to be bubbles in this? Thank you for the gifts, guys. Queen, thank you. Mm. I miss New Jeans dito era. Hoy Jam, graduate ka na? Ako ay nabubulunan. Nakakagutom, ayoko na. Don't worry, hindi masarap to. Huwag kayong mainggit. So dry. I'm just eating it because I need protein. ₱24 na po ako. Oh. You know this guy from TikTok na like, he does challenges na tries to fit all kinds of food sa mouth niya, like even the big ones. Like a Subway sandwich, like foot-long sandwich, stuff like that. I wanna try that. I just wanna see how much I can fit in my mouth. I don't think I can though, because I have braces. Do you know I know how to kamet? Sino Macau Ilocano? I know how to use my hands scooping rice neatly. Thank you, Edgy Rose. But I just don't want to do it right now because it has chicken oil and it will stick yung amoy. What if I do like some mukbang videos but like healthy? Okay, Kuya Jobs. Paninindigan mo ba hindi pagkape? Of course. Ito, i-invite ako. Paano matiis? I wake up early. Waking up early gives me enough energy na for the whole day. And working out in the morning, it gives me the adrenaline that I need. Oh, so dry. Everyday ako nanood ng live mo. Thank you sa support. Alam mo kung anong nag-push sa akin na mag-stop ng coffee? My braces. Coffee stains ceramic braces. So I stopped coffee. Dahil lang dun. Mhm. 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 Papansin mo ako may free kang edit. Ano, edit na kumakain. Mag-post na ba ako? Tapos yung caption, he ate. Live na kayo ni Dean ulit. Wala si Dean eh. Sinira na din yung sword ko eh. Wala na akong sword. Wala na akong shing-shing. Hi, Dean. Kahit ano feeling maging P-pop? Masaya. How do you fight laziness just to wake up early and do workout? How do I? I don't know, I'm just used to it, I think. I feel lazy at around afternoon. I don't feel lazy in the morning. That's why I do my stuff in the morning when I feel productive. Ilang years months ka nag-train? Wala kaming train. Nice! Ayaw kaming pag-trainingin. So hard to chew. Bring back the orange hair. I don't have orange hair. I never had orange hair. Ikaw na benga talaga. Okay lang. Nag-splukenism naman na siya ng kung ano. Fight fire with fire? Mang inasal ba yan? Yes. And it's super dry. I'm not enjoying it. I just have to eat it for my muscles. But it tastes so dry, bro. I can cook better chicken than this. That's like 100 plus wasted. Gusto ko sana magluto kasi wala pa kaming ref eh. So like I can't buy bulk. It's kind of like a hassle because I have to finish everything. Pares, I'm gonna go out later. Sayang. Sana ma-release na namin yung Tagalog songs namin. Miami. Miami. Guys, ako rin, bebenta ko na lahat ng damit ko by the end of the year. I want to refresh my closet. Like, ako na buy new things. Madami akong good stuff doon and like, they're mostly barely used. Karami ang damit ko doon, like once ko lang nagamit. Sobrang dami kong cabinet, puno-puno sa lahat ng damit. I've already donated like, ang dami na. Isang closet, pero ang dami pa rin talaga. Hindi pa rin nauubos. Okay, Jeramiel, bye. Hindi mamahalin yung damit ko, no? Sakto lang. Di ko lang alam how would I deliver all of those kung ang dami. I have some expensive clothes, pero I have some affordable clothes too. Tapos na pinapaint mo, yes. Papa-auction ka din, ma. I think so. I think that's a good, tapos mga, mababa lang yung starting price. Like, 300 ka naman. I don't know how to pack clothes though. Like, I know nothing about logistics. I saw you at Ate Eunice's vlog. Yung sa concert ng Twice. Ay, kick mo nga si Jeramiel. Akin na ako mag-ship. Aralin ko pa. Ina-attitudean mo ba ako? Baka nakalimutan mo sa attitude ako. I give back energy. What energy you give to me, I'll give it back to you guys. That's my rule. That's my only rule in life. And it's so refreshing. It's fair. Badabadabum. Kapag ba nag-ship ako, makikita yung address ko? Yeah. We reciprocate. In the club, we all fan. Malapit niya na matapos plates niya. Hey, congrats, Chel. Yan, dapat productive. Ganyan tayo sa pamilyang to. Birthday mo po? Hindi eh. Kahit pa ng birthday ko eh. Ilocano kami pero hindi kami bias. Okay lang. Okay lang. At nandito sa makikita dun. Oh! Paano yan? Agawin mo kami sana. Hindi, okay na yun. Diyan na lang kayo. Kaya nyo na yan. Ready ka na? Saan? Got new hair? It's just my same hair, just dyed it different color. Hindi po namin kaya, kuya. Ang alin? Kumain ka na, kuya? Yes po, kakain ko lang. Hi, it's JP. Ayun, pinansin na kita. Tadadadan, tadadadan. Nakakapanibagong second, yung hair color. Actually, hindi niya sinabi sa akin ni Jilly. So, if magbago yung isip ko, makapabalik ko sa light brown. If magbago yung isip ko. If lang naman. What's your Spotify rap? Eclipse. Ipaship ko sa iba. Wow, it's gonna be so hassle for that person. Dami kong damit, if ever. Anong pangalan ng gupit niyo? Ricardo. Ilang taon ka na po? 24. Hello, Vice Kita Clyde. Thank you, Brickster. Are you Korean? No. I'm Filipino. Mag-basketball pa ba kayo? Minsan. I'm someone who plays sports, but I'm not that good at sports because I never specialized in sports. Like, I never played sa varsity or sa mga competitions sa sports. Like, I just played after school, pero my focus was on ACADS and arts. Are you half? No. Pure Philip. Ito, half na ako. Yes, I am half. Asan ka now? Secret. Ito, I'm half again. This is my other half. Kamusta painting mo? Tapos na. I don't know what to do with it. Like, I like it so much. Pero at the same time, kung may bibili, okay lang siguro. Tumatay ka pa po ba? Hindi. Idols don't poop. Okay? No, we don't. We're not humans. Can I see your painting? Sige, later. Hugasan ko lang to. I'll be back. Aalis Oh. Sabi wag aalis, ba't tumalis na kayo? Nabawasan ng 30 viewers and 30 viewers na yun, ha? Ayan, ha? Sabi wag aalis. Ay, oh. Kuya, wala akong honors. Can you cheer me up? Cheer up! Keep up! No, on a serious note though, honors don't define your intelligence. Okay? You can be good at other stuff. Don't depend your worth sa honors. Teka lang. End lang ako ng live kasi I will charge ka pala. Relive ako agad later. Kayong umalis.